pretty sure, I'm sorry. I can't do this, I can't. They're out of chicken. You guys, the sun is literally freaking beaming. Sorry, I would show y'all my eyes, but I literally have to put these freaking sunglasses on because the sun is beaming in my face. However, happy 2026, girlies. Today is my first video of the year. I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog today. Basically, I'm going to be doing all of my maintenance for my Ulta Beauty brand trip. If you guys didn't know, I am on the Ulta Beauty Collective for 2026. And we are going on our first freaking brand trip. It's like a ski week trip in, I think it's Park City, Utah. So I'm really excited, but y'all know me, I'm a girly girl at heart, so I have to go ahead and get my hair done, my nails done. I have to pick up a couple last minute clothing items and just little things for my trip, but nonetheless, I love running errands and I love taking y'all with me, so let's just make a whole day out of it, okay? Why not? Right now, I literally just pulled up to the nail salon. I did get some Starbucks though, but oh my gosh, not me zooming in, what the hell? Hello? Oh my gosh, okay, you guys know I got a new camera, so I'm still figuring out the kinks and dinks, but yeah, it's literally so sunny. Oh my gosh, okay, I need to go inside and get my nails done. I'm sitting outside of the nail salon, but I was gonna say I went to Starbucks. I tried to film it, however I don't have a tripod for my camera yet for my car, so I couldn't hold it like this while I was driving, unfortunately. But it was so cute because I paid for the person behind me. It was like this mother and daughter, literally so cute. And then they ended up being behind me at the stoplight next to the Starbucks when we both left the not the parking lot, the drive-through. And they literally like waved at me, and it was so freaking cute. I love that. So if you do have the extra like funds to do so, and like you just want to brighten someone's day, pay for the order behind you. You literally never know what someone's going through. It could literally just brighten up their day. And yeah, it was very sweet that they acknowledged me. So yeah, I'm ready to have a great day, ready to go in here. I need to get a fill. It probably looks like, bitch, you just got your nails done, which I low-key did like 12 days ago. However, I want them as fresh as possible for this trip. So I will be getting a fill, and then I might be getting my toes done, even though my toes probably won't be seen much because we'll be in the snow, but I still want to be a baddie on this trip. Oh my gosh, why am I continuing to zoom in? I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay, this is a sign that I need to get my ass inside this nail salon. So let's go. All right, y'all, I just finished my nails. I tried to record in there, but I quite literally could not because they ended up doing my fingernails and my toenails at the same time. So I literally had no hands to film, but they turned out so cute. I just got this like kind of like ovally almond French, and then same with my toes. I got square French, but super cute. I'm literally obsessed. You guys, I think I figured out how I'm zooming in because there's a button right here that like, here, let me not show you guys, but let me, like this, there's a button right here that I keep resting my freaking fingers on. That's making me zoom in. But like I said, you guys, my nails, like how cunty, how cute, literally obsessed with them. Right now, I just pulled up at my friend's house because my homegirl actually does my hair. I'm getting like, I don't know what you would call them, like bohemian twist kind of things. They're really, really pretty. I wore them. I'll put a picture up right here. I wore them for my Ulta Beauty billboard shoot in NYC last year. So if you guys remember that, that's the hairstyle I will be getting, but I'm super excited. Also, when I finish my hair, I will show you guys my hair, obviously, but I will put my homegirl's Instagram on the screen. So if you guys are in the Sacramento area and you guys want to book her, she is taking appointments. So I will be sure to plug her because she's my girl. You guys, the lore I have to tell you right now is actually literally insane. So basically, I just got my hair done. Everything went well. Love my girl. However, y'all know I told you earlier today I wanted to get the little like passion twist type shit. Super duper cute. However, my dumbass brought the wrong hair. I don't know why. I literally never bring the wrong hair. I'm always right on the nail with it and bring the right stuff, but this time I brought the straight like yucky braiding hair instead of the twisting hair. So I had to get medium box braids with the goddess, you know, curly pieces in it, which is fine. I love the style, but if I'm gonna do this style, I usually would bring some sort of like mousse or gel to make the curls like, you know, be more formed and not puffy. So it's not her fault at all. Nothing wrong with my girl TT. She's still beautiful stylist. It's my fault for bringing the wrong hair and not, you know, bringing the products I, you know, bringing the hair I should have. So that's number one mistake. So when I get home, I definitely need to amp up these curls and put some mousse in them. So right now they're a little, ew, I just spit. Right now they're a little puffy, but when I get home, definitely gonna do that. Number freaking two. Oh, number two. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not trying to flip you off, but like, my nail broke. My nail literally fucking broke as I was putting or taking my shoes off, you guys. My nail broke. I'm pissed about it. I'm like, the devil is really trying to get to me today, but he will not prevail. Okay, one thing about my God, he will always rise above everything, all the BS. So yeah, my nail broke. That's very ghetto. I'm gonna have to go back, and I'm on the opposite side of town right now. So like, I'm just gonna have to get my nail fixed on the way back into town. Very ghetto. Hopefully my phone stays because you know I don't have a fucking car tripod. So yeah, that's another thing. My bag of freaking leftover hair when I was on my way to my car broke and ripped, so my stuff fell everywhere, and then I thought I lost my phone. I was having a panic attack trying to find my phone. It ended up being in my back seat. Like, it was just a lot going on, you guys. So yeah, I haven't updated you in quite a minute, a few hours actually. And that has all went on since I've spoken to you. So I've been a literal hot mess. However, comma, I just passed a Jollibee. Love me some Jollibee. So I'm going to get Jollibee to treat myself for all of the distress I was recently put through. Okay, yes I am. So I'm currently in the Jollibee drive-through line. Sorry if you guys can't really see me that well. But yeah, I'm getting Jollibee after this. I need to head to the mall to do a little bit of shopping, as you guys know. And I will go get my nail fixed, pick up my Target order, and then go home and like lay out my clothes and my luggage so you guys can see what I'm working with and kind of get a sneak peek of the outfits I'll be packing for this trip, because y'all know Utah is going to be very cold, like 6 degrees damn near. So yeah. But yeah, I have been dealing with that, so I'm going to try to lift my spirits, eat some Jollibee, and then try to feel better about my day. You guys, I've had it. I have had it. This is my 13th reason. I'm pretty sure, I'm sorry. I'm sorry this fucking lighting is trash. However, this is my 13th reason, you guys. I just pulled up to the Jollibee window, quenching, mouth watering for some Jollibee chicken. Yummy. Got to the window, lady talking about some, sorry ma'am, all of our chicken will take 40 minutes to an hour. We're prioritizing any chicken we have left right now for online orders. Babes, what are we talking about? I came to Jollibee to get my mind off of my crash out and everything bad. Oh my gosh, I'm about to go to the window. Please, please hold. I can't do this. I can't. They're out of chicken. Oh, you guys. You guys. I'm not parking in 3. I can't get there. I'm gonna park in number 1. I just cannot deal. I cannot deal. There's so many cars here, holy shit. So instead of getting the chicken, because they were out, I had to get a burger and some spaghetti. So yeah, my chicken Jollibee dreams are very much so crushed. But yeah, I'm gonna eat the food, and then I will see you guys when we're at the mall, because right now I need to decompress. This does not need to be a negative vlog. We're about to go on a brand trip. We're about to have a Presky vibes. We're finna be just surrounded by lovely girlies. So let me just relax a little bit, get myself together, and I will see you guys at the mall. All right, y'all, I have calmed down a bit. I do want to show y'all my food before I start eating. I'm just sitting in the car. I got this spaghetti, y'all. Jollibee spaghetti. I don't care what y'all say. It's so good, so sweet, so fucking amazing. I also got this pineapple quencher thingy. Pretty good. And then I got a burger. Big back activities, I know, but I was so upset they didn't have chicken. So I'm about to grub. I wanted to record this part before it gets dark, so I just got my nail fixed, period. I'm so glad it took her like 5 minutes. God bless. It is getting dark. It's almost 5 p.m. But I am on my way to the mall. There's a little tiny bit of traffic, so I have a little time to film this part for you guys. But I'm on my way to the mall because I really want to get a tote bag, because since I'm going to be vlogging and carrying around my vlog camera and the tripod and like all my stuff I need for the trip, like all the ski essentials, like the goggles and gloves and all that, I definitely want to carry a tote bag while I'm on this trip. So I don't know whether I want the Louis Vuitton Neverfull or the shopping bag from YSL. I'm still deciding. Luckily in the mall I'm going to, both of those stores are across from each other, so it'll be easy to kind of dibble and dabble into both and see which one I want to get. So yeah, I'll see you at the mall, girls. I'm at Skims, right? Because I found Skims in Nordstrom because I want to look at some pajama sets. So I found this really cute black long sleeve one. Also, there's a gray one, really cute. It's like a nice like soft ribbed material. So I might get these. She's checking in the back to see if they have my size. But how cute are they? Let me show you a little bit better. Oh gosh, almost dropped it. This is what it looks like. How cute is that? And it's going to be really cold in Utah, so I feel like the longer the better for PJs. But yeah, let me see if she has it in the back though. So I was looking for a 1X in this long sleeve black skin set, but she couldn't find it. I also don't want to be vlogging too long because of the music, but they had an extra large, which I'm usually an extra large, but I kind of wanted to get a 1X for like pajamas to be more roomy. But I'm going to try these on and see how they look. So let's try them on. Okay, yeah, these are definitely very cutesy. Okay, I think we're definitely gonna go with these. These definitely fit. They are a little loose, so period, period. Also, look at this freaking dressing room. Hello. Also, it's really dark in here, but this dressing room, T, period.
I checked it. It wasn't a larger extra, I think.
Okay, guys, I think I'm just gonna go to Louis Vuitton and get a tote from here. I think that'll be my best bet. So let's go in. Those are so cute. Look at this. So cute. There's two sizes. This one is the GM, I think it is. GM, the biggest one. And then this one, which I think I'm gonna get, is the MM. It's a little bit smaller. I think I'm gonna go with this MM one. It's a little smaller, but it's still really nice. And it'll be a good tote for like the trip and whatnot. Yeah, thank you for saving it for me. Thank you. Okay, y'all, I know what you're thinking. Serena, why didn't you finish the vlog? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Literally, when I got home, I ate, I packed. I was up so late till like 4 in the morning, and I didn't really get to show you guys much of what I packed, but hopefully you guys will be on my TikTok and my Instagram and Snapchat and see all of my outfits throughout the week over there for this brand trip, so check it out. But yeah, I'm literally about to get on this plane, edit this vlog, and have it up for you guys since it is Sunday. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will actually be starting a new vlog right now that will be up next Sunday, which will be my entire Ulta Beauty collective brand trip. So it'll be the full week, you guys will see, and all that stuff. So I'm really excited and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to do that. And I'm just really excited for this trip and again to take you guys with me. So if you guys are ready, leave me a comment down below if you're excited for the next vlog. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.